Listen to me now.
I can't make this shit up. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Robert here, YouTube on the budget, back with another freaking video, man. If you watched my last video, you know your boy, he got some tow mirrors for F250, man. Overall, man, I love them, man. It's the only thing is, guys, with the mirrors, which is weird to me, is, let me show y'all. Like, you're supposed to look out this, but I'm always looking at this for some odd reason. But they do look it makes the truck look way more aggressive, guys, to me. Y'all comment below. Tell me what y'all think. I think I got a good deal on them because they're paint to match. They're the same color as the actual truck. Man, y'all comment below. Let me know. So I will be getting this truck painted, not anytime soon, probably next freaking year. Yeah, probably next year. But the puddle lights, work when you unlock it like it is right now. This light stays on, it doesn't blink, which I'm fine with. I still need to get this replaced. I need to get this replaced. I'll get this a brand new one. The reason why I have it, because I got to get my money back up, because y'all know my AC went out of my house and that broke a lot of bread. But yeah, we do need to get this mug repainted, as you can see. And then if you look up there, let me show y'all real quick. See right there. And then the roof is horrible. If you look right there, the roof is real horrible, because y'all gotta understand, this truck really just sits outside, so it just bakes in the sun. Now, I had issues with my rock lights, but I got them fixed. I just had to how you say it? I had to reconnect them, basically. It's more so. But yeah, man, we will be doing a revamp on this truck sooner than later, because it's paid for. So, still haven't scratched the wheels, surprisingly, even though it's been some close calls. Let's double check. Still been having close, still haven't done that. Yeah, we're good, Yeah, still looking good. I just need to clean these mugs. But overall, man, y'all comment below, man. Tell me what y'all think with the F250 mirror. These are F250 mirrors, guys. These are not F150. Now, all right. So on the internet, man, you don't really see anybody talking about the 360 camera when they're converting to F250 tow mirrors. Well, let's just say tow mirrors, because these mirror comes on F150. So you don't see too many people talking about these mirrors with 360 camera, all this other stuff, because it has power fold. It has the telescope where it goes in and out. I still haven't figured out how to do that yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. Power fold, the camera, the light at the puddle light, and then the blinkers. Now, I could have the blinkers work simultaneously with the blinkers in the front, but I'm really not a fan of that. I really like when the orange lights stay on. So I like that better, but I could go in Forescan and fix it, or just repin it. Now, yeah, I remember when I first installed these guys, it was doing the opposite when I unlocked the door. So look, when I unlocked the door, and then look, oh yeah, look, I forgot to show y'all this. Look at this. It still does right there. When I unlock, and these are actually OEM Ford mirrors, by the way. These came off a 2020 F250. So when I unlocked the doors, the the mirrors folded in, and then when I locked them, it folded out, which is, yeah, it was just weird. So I rewired it. So as you can see, They fold in when you lock it, and then when you unlock it, so look, unlock. When you open the doors, you see the puddle lights and stuff. You close it, and they fold out. So I rewire that part. So I got that working. So let's do that again. You lock it, they fold in. So I got that to work. See. Now what I need to get working is the camera. Now, I'm not advising y'all to do this. Excuse my language. I'm not advising y'all to do this, but I did this the getaway. So, I'll show y'all real fast. Alright. So, I could have easily repinned these. I just honestly cut them, spliced them, and switched the wire. So, the wire that was closing was opening on it. I just cut them and mismatched the wire. So, I figured out which ones it was. Now the problem I'm having, this is the camera, right? It's supposed to go here. This is digital, this is analog, right? So that's the problem I'm gonna have now. So what I'm thinking about doing now, this is the only thing I can actually see work. Oh, let me show you what else I did too, because the ambient temperature, so if y'all don't know, Ford put their temperature outside sensor right here. Now I don't know which one it is. I don't have no recollection of which one it is. So let me show y'all what I did temporarily until I figure out which one it is. So I just snipped the wire that it goes to, little hood. Now I say I don't advise y'all to do this. And this is the temperature sensor from the F150, and I just stick it right down there. Camera, wire, and all that. So if you don't know, it's the green and blue, and then yellow and violet. So I just had to look up F150 wire harness planogram on that. So yeah, so we kind of hood that up, man, but it works. So my AC works, because if you don't hook that up, your AC will not work. Now with the camera, oh, this mug might be gone, guys, in about the next couple of weeks. Thinking about selling it. Like, I'm serious this time. It might be gone. It's up for sale. All right, so now this is where we get to this. So if I go connect these cameras, actually, you know what? Let's go do it. No, it won't connect. All right, so because I gotta have this right here. So with that being said, guys, so what I'm thinking about doing, you see this? Oh, it came right off. Oh, that was too easy, bro. Okay. Okay, right off. Damn. Okay, so show y'all what I'm thinking about that. That came off way easier than what I expected. Alright, so now this is what I'm thinking about doing. Since this came off that easy, I'm thinking about taking this, because this, I have to buy new cameras anyway, because if you can see, they're all fogged up in there. They're supposed to be all solid black, so these are out of there. So I want to buy all 4 new cameras, the front camera, the rear camera, and the side cameras, which are these. So what I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about taking the F250 cameras off and implementing these in there and running this, and take the analog wiring out and put this there so the cameras will work. Y'all understand what I'm saying? That's my only option of thinking it could work. Uh, because there's nothing where I can convert that this harness to that analog harness. I haven't seen it. I've been searching for days. So I think it could work, guys. I just got to do a little bit of trimming, but I really think this can fit on the actual F250. So if I can do that, we would be in for the win. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, man. Y'all comment below. Let a brother know. But yeah, I think it can work. Actually, you know what? Let me take this camera so I can show y'all. And then the front camera is just not getting any type of power. So I think that camera in the front is actually bad. But y'all see how it's like copperish brown looking? And let me show y'all this one right here. Y'all see how it's like that? Copperish brown. And it's supposed to be black like that. But I really think I can get this to work, man. I should be able to get this to work. Y'all comment below. But hey, we folding mirrors now. We're folding mirrors now, baby. Alright guys, next freaking day, man. I'm gonna yarn again. Oh my god. Oh, excuse me. So a lot of people, man, believe it or not, guys, a lot of people are saying, trying to give me advice on this frame, powder coated, anything but black. And I just don't really care to powder coat it any other different color, guys. I don't think any other color will go. I don't think gray will go, blue, whatever. I just don't think anything else will go, and I just don't think it's a good idea. And the reason why people want to powder coat their frame a different color is just to show off that it was a frame off. And I really don't give two shits if people know it's a frame off or not. If people looking that damn hard on my damn truck, or in my car, then it is what it is. I just don't think any other color will look good. Because my combination is a pearl, it's a white with a blue pearl. It's black, and that's really it. That's the only two colors that I'm going with. So unless I do that mug completely chrome, which that'd be dumb as hell. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep it black as is. I think black is the best option. Now, if I could do black with a blue pearl or something like that, then I'd do it. But if that's the case, if I want everybody to know I powder coat my frame, I just powder coat that bitch neon green. So it's just not that big of a deal, guys. Like, this car is for me to cruise, and I just want to say my first time doing a frame off, I always want to do a frame off. Y'all gotta remember, I started this frame off damn near 3 years ago, just been procrastinating, money wasn't right. And my priorities is more intact in life than these cars. So it's a hobby, man. Like I tell y'all all the time, think about your grandpa, your uncle, your mom's side chick, side nigga. Think about all them OGs, D-boys. Think about all of them. All they did to their cars back in the day was paint their car and put rims in the system. And it took them years to do that. And I'm doing the whole taking the car apart, rebuilding it, and y'all think this shit should happen overnight. I don't know what is the hell is wrong with y'all people. I work for my money and I'm not finna blow it. Oh, they got Kevin Durant on the billboard already. I don't know if y'all seen that because there's sun right there. All right, guys, continuation. I'm surprised this nigga didn't go out the damn door. Continuation from the other video. Continuation from the other video. All right, so we finna take these my wife over here dancing. We finna take these. We are about to take these F250 mirrors apart. And this should honestly work, guys. So this is the camera. This is the wire for the F150 camera. And this is the camera. So I'm doing this because I don't want to buy new cameras and this crap don't work. So this is the wire for the F250. And then see the difference, guys? Babe, you see the difference? F250, F150, and then the camera goes into this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this cap off, and that's all I have to take off. The camera's right here. I just gotta figure out how. I think it's like 2 little clips in there that I have to push away, and it should come off. Hopefully I don't break nothing like I always do. Oh, I have to pull it back. Is it 1 or 2? I see only 1. Oh, it's 2 of them. So I need to find something. I need to hook it in. So let me go see if I can find something I need to hook in there, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's right there. So I need to find something I can hook in there. I just need to pull it back and I should be good. This is not gonna work. Oh shoot, it might. That was easy. Oh, that was easy, bruh. That was easy as hell. Y'all saw that crap? All right, so I need a Phillips screwdriver. Oh yeah, we finna get these cameras rolling, baby. Alright. Phillips screwdriver, I got a flathead, so it's all the same crap. Alright, camera is officially out. That wasn't difficult at all, guys. I don't know if y'all can see, but let me see if y'all can see. Camera is officially out. Look, take the wire complete out some kind of way. If I loosen up this screw right here, it should give me more room to pull it out. It's like a little star. And then I can feed. I don't know, it don't seem like this wire. This one is long enough. So I might have to extend this. It might be. I don't know. We'll see. What you looking at, woman? Hey, hold on, cuz. Let me see that shirt. This nigga in here stealing my clothes, bro.
It's been in here.
Bro, she be stealing my clothes. Give me that shirt.
It's washed.
Look at this.
I did have that.
Look.
Wow, where you get that one from, Giselle?
It be in there. I be washing my clothes and leave them in there. She be taking them. That's what it is.
It's on the clothes.
Look, Tiffany, she was trying to sneak. She balled it up so I know the color.
Wow.
Still, that's crazy when your child steal your clothes, bro. That's crazy. That is crazy, man. She be in here stealing my freaking clothes. My own daughter be stealing my clothes, guys. Alright, I need to find say small. This might be it right here. What that screwdriver? I seen it earlier, bruh. Dang, I seen it earlier. It was just a screwdriver in here. And did I move it? I think I moved it. What did I do with it? Yeah, right here. Alright, I got it. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Where's that other screwdriver? Right here. Gotcha. Girl, stealing my clothes, man. Girl be stealing my clothes. That's crazy. Close that garage for me. What you looking at? You wanna fight?
You notice the difference?
About what?
Told you.
I don't know what you're talking about. Notice the difference about what?
Told you, Giselle.
What you talking about?
I literally cut the light off and opened the
I know, I see that. You talking about notice the difference about what else? I thought you messing with my... Still don't cut the light back on. Dang. I need to find. It's smaller than this. Smaller than this. Damn, it looks small. Oh shit. Alright, this camera. It goes how? Like this. Alright.
But you still turn the light on.
Yeah, because it's messing up my camera. Okay, so the camera will work. Yeah, look. F150 camera will work, but what it looks like you're gonna have to do is trim this off right here. I think that's really it. Because you need this to lay flat like that. Yeah. So if I could just cut here, I don't know if I have anything to do that though. Alright, so I do like have a little Dremel thing, so let's see if I can. Well, I got little bits and everything. I'll be having stuff I'll be forgetting how to be buying. Well, my wife be trying to go on vacation. It's that time again, though. Yeah, if this works, guys, I'm going to order cameras all the way around so I can have a clearer bird's eye view, you know what I'm saying? But this should work. Hopefully it does. Alright. Moment of truth. In the damn kitchen doing this shit. How you cut this one off? Alright, I pulled out the old rusted crustiest. I haven't used these things in years. Yeah, that's all I needed right there. Hopefully it gives me enough slack. Where else is it? I'm trying not to cut this mug up, but that's what I'm trying not to do. But it looks like I'm gonna have to. I still don't know how the hell I'm gonna get this other wire through. long enough. I might have to extend this. I might have to extend this. Just want to cut this mug up. That's what I'm about to do. Cut this mug up. And then I'm going to extend these other wires. All right. Now, all right, guys. Unfortunately, your boy. Come on, don't focus on me. I had to extend the wires, man. So, but I got it on there. So I'm gonna try to screw it down and see if it works. So I'm just doing this one side because if this one side works with me extending it and everything, then I'm just gonna go ahead and order. Shoot. Go ahead and order the other. I had to do a lot of trimming though. A lot of trimming. All right. Let's see if this will go in here. See if it fits. Okay, it fits. It fits. That is a good thing. So we do got the Alright, so we do got the F150 camera in there, guys. Everything fits, so I did it. I did that, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so now I just need to extend these other wires, which I have right here. Extend these, and then we're gonna plug it in. If it works, then your boy is going to find the cheapest brand new ones I could find. So that's the goal. I'm not gonna spend $150 on each camera. It ain't that serious, you know what I'm saying? But I want to try to find the cheapest ones as possible. But brand new. I don't want used ones. I was really low-key trying to see if I can use the backup camera for this, but I was kind of concerned if I would have did that, would it have the guidelines and all that stuff on it. So don't tell nobody what I'm using. Kitchen scissors. It's the sharpest scissors we have. the way in the truck. And I didn't feel like going to get him, so don't tell her I'm using this. Y'all bet not tell her. There she goes. Shh, be quiet. She right there. Shh, be quiet. Well, y'all talk too much. Alright, so. Alright, last of the wiring extension. And I had to use speaker wires too, guys. I ain't had no wires. This is like some ghetto. This whole connection stuff is low-key kind of ghetto right now. But it is what it is. Alright, so ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Did he jump up there on his own? I didn't think he like jumping up there. He didn't like jumping up there with Jayla. Alright, so the moment of truth. Yeah, so if this works, guys, y'all already know what the business is. Not to fall. Don't fall, don't fall. Don't fall. Alright, you got that in. Got that one in. Let's see. They all left my damn key in the damn house. Tripping. Alright. Moment of truth, man. I'll be right back. Let me go get keys. Alright, they fold back out. So that is a good thing. Everything still work. Alright, moment of truth, guys. Moment of freaking truth. Oh, it works. That's the back. That's that crap. It works. That crap works. But why does it seem weird though? I got the camera backwards. Yeah, I got the camera backwards, dude. What the hell? So that camera won't work. Huh. Alright, let me go get the other camera so I can see how it is supposed to be. Alright, so I think I put the camera in like this. So it's like this. And I don't think that's the way it should be. Alright. So, well, like this. I don't think this is the right camera for this. So, yeah, because my leg, if I put it like this. Oh, yeah, that's reverse. So I'll put it like this. That's how it should be. Ooh, mosquito. Get out. Yeah, I'm confused. This shit got me confused, guys. It really got me confused, so I'll open the door. No, it's in there right. Because the front of the thing, I just think it's the wrong freaking camera. Yeah, because that's the front of the house, so that's right. But why is this so far back? All right, I don't know, guys. I recorded on my phone. Y'all can see what I did, but it just seemed like it's. I could see. I don't know. It's just weird. Can I get these reverse lights? Lights off? Take these damn lines off. take these ones off. These ones off. I need to text what it costs. Guys, so I'm gonna take it off. I got one more shot at this, and I'm gonna see if I just what I'm thinking. What I just do with this damn camera. All right, so what I'm thinking, guys. So I have the camera. I think I have the camera like this. I think if I turn it like this, it will work. Oh no, let me see. I got one shot at this. If I get it, if I don't, I don't. If I do, I do. All right, guys. So I think I don't know if I have to get different cameras. I'm just not feeling. I'm not really feeling this. Like you can see, like right in front. I guess that's it. I don't know, man. It doesn't seem right to me. Let me get back out there. Well, hold on. I gotta go up some because I dropped the screw to the camera. Alright. Put the car back in reverse. So, I'm just gonna walk. Do it on my phone so I can see it too. I'm just gonna walk in front of the truck and see how far you can see me. I gotta hurry up because the car is in freaking reverse. Where is that screw at? There you go. Alright, so I'm in the front of the truck, guys. In the front of the tire, walking by the mirror, going to the back, passing the back front door, to the back door, to the back tire, to the back of the truck. All right. Let me show y'all how it looks without the cap on it. So this is how the camera looks without the cap, guys. So I don't know if I just need to get a different style camera. This one doesn't work. Maybe the F150 is wider, but because it's in a different position. But I don't know, man. This is going to be really interesting. It's going to be really interesting. But other than that, man, it can work. I just got to get it to work. So now I got to figure it out. Everything, but let me look at the video. Hold on. See what I see. See how far you can see. All right. Oh, it might be good. I don't know. It's not giving me the whole bird's eye view. So I don't know, guys. So I don't know. It's Robbie, YouTube budget. In my own lane, doing my own thing. Peace.
In my own lane, doing my own thing.
That's all, folks.